about it like hiring 100 people to buy products for you. In this video, I'm gonna show you the best bots, what it costs, what it takes, and essentially cover the whole thing, start to finish on botting. So to start botting, there are a few things we will need first. First off is the bot itself. These usually cost around £50 per month, and this is the application that allows us to purchase products. The next thing we need from there is proxies, and proxies are a way of getting multiple different IP addresses. The reason we need proxies is because if we have 100 people all trying to buy stuff on our website on our home IP address, what they will do is they will simply ban us for suspicious activity, thinking that we are a bot. To combat this, we want each task in our bot to have one different IP address. Proxies on average can go anywhere from £30 to £100 per month. People who are botting at insane scales can be spending hundreds and hundreds every single month. From there, we have our third thing, a server. This is a virtual computer that is constantly on. These on average cost around £20 per month. They have insane internet speeds. This can give your bot that advantage when it comes to buying products as fast as possible. But that isn't the best feature. The best feature of these servers is the fact that they are running constantly 24/7. We can connect to our servers from our laptop, we can edit our bot, we can run our bot, and then when we close our laptop, the bot will still be doing whatever it was doing as you left it. You can also connect from your phone, and granted, while it is a lot harder to control from your phone, you can still do it, and it can still be a lifesaver in certain situations. Moving on, let's talk about some actual botting applications themselves. In this video, I'm gonna go over 3 different bots that are really good. The third one is my personal favorite, but number 1, we have Cyber. Cyber is a Shopify specific bot, and it is the Shopify Go. It is a Shopify machine. And for those of you who don't know what Shopify is, people can go on Shopify and set up a website under their own brand and sell products, and Shopify handles the whole thing. Cyber is the GOAT of that. Cyber has pretty much a goated module on every single Shopify site, even the ones that have been changed slightly. One really key feature of Cyber is a HCAPTCHA auto solver. Sometimes this is required at checkout, the difference between getting something and completely washing out and getting nothing. When it comes to Pokemon sites that are Shopify, probably the biggest one is Tofts, the original factory shop. They drop a lot of Pokemon on there. Cyber costs around £50 per month. You can't just go on the website and buy it right now. You have to either get on a wait list and Cyber will send you an email eventually saying you can purchase, or buy it through a third party reseller or seller. Moving on from there, we have Hidden AIO. It has Shopify, it has Amazon, it has Pokemon Center, it has Argos, it has Very. And while Hidden is very popular in the US, it does have good UK support as well. Hidden has a couple of standout features, especially on Pokemon Center, which is Pokemon Center Session Hydration, meaning when your task is through the queue and it's sat on the Pokemon website, it tries to keep that task from getting banned. So when a product does drop after 10 or 20 minutes, then the bot can actually successfully check out. It also has profile rotation. So if you do check out on a session, it will then rotate profile and check out again for you. So that is Hidden AIO. It costs $199 initial fee, and then it's $50 a month there on after. Anyway, moving on, we have my personal favorite and probably the most versatile and diverse bot out there. This is Stellar AIO. And it has Amazon, it has Shopify, Argos, it has Pokemon Center, it has Very, it has John Lewis, and it's arguably been around longer inside the UK than Hidden. It is also a nice beginner friendly bot as well. It is a very simple bot to use. There's not much involved with it, and you can pick it up rather quickly. Stellar also has profile rotation, and while it doesn't have a specific feature for session hydration, there's ways you can do it in the bot by increasing your delay once you are through the queue on Pokemon Center. In my opinion, Stellar is the most unmatched retail bot out there when it comes to all these individual sites, these custom sites like Pokemon Center or Very or Argos or John Lewis. Stellar comes in at a very reasonable price as well. It is $50 per month for Stellar AIO. You buy 3 months up front, so you buy it for $150 and then you get 3 months, then it renews again for $150. It doesn't have an auto HCAPTCHA solver like CyberSolve. It has the ability to do one-click HCAPTCHAs, meaning when it clicks the box, it automatically solves, and that can be a game changer. That can get you 100 tasks in the queue on Pokemon Center in 2 minutes. Probably the most goated feature of Stellar. So now we understand what bots are out there. It's just gonna give you a quick rundown of how you actually go about buying products with the bots. The first thing you need to do is add your proxies into the bot to get different IP addresses. You then need to set up your profiles. Your profiles are basically your checkout information. That's your phone number, your name, your address, and your bank card. You put them in the bot, and then the bot knows for which task, what payment details, what address to submit to purchase the products for you. Once you've got your proxies, once you've got your profiles, you can then set up your tasks. Each task is one person sat there on a computer trying to purchase items for you. You can have hundreds of tasks at one time, hundreds of people all trying to check out for you. Your task is ultimately the person who is doing the purchasing for you. It's the person who has a specific product ID or a specific link that you want to buy. It has the delay between clicking around on the website, it has the checkout details, and it has the unique IP address. That is tasks. You can create hundreds of tasks with all different profiles. You can start and stop individual tasks at one time. You can also start all and stop all, and that is ultimately the bit of the bot that actually runs and actually does things for you. Now that we understand how the bots work, I just want to mention one quick thing. Bots follow profit and not Pokemon. They cater to resellers, so whatever they find that is profitable, there is a high chance that will eventually end up on the bot. And the reason I say that is this: there is a new crazy shortage in RAM right now. RAM for people's computers, and specifically DDR5 RAM on the lower end of the spectrum, is reselling for an insane amount of money. RAM that costs £110 on Corsair's website can be resold on eBay for £250 to £300 plus. There is a shortage. If you try to find any cheap DDR5 RAM out there, there is pretty much nothing that you will find. And ultimately, when this RAM shortage gets into fruition, the bots will no doubt start leaning in towards that and start making websites that you can bot for RAM. Ultimately, they follow the money, they follow the profit, they follow the supply and the demand issues. If you want to learn more about botting, I am giving away a free botting scholarship to my Botting Mentorship. We give you the bot, we give you the proxies, we give you the guidance and the one-on-one support to churn, to become a successful botter. There is a link below this video where you can fill out your details. We're going to pick one person at random for a free scholarship to our Botting Mentorship.